Good Vlogmas Day Wednesday. So I'm just about to go outside, pick up some dog poop because apparently we are in for some snow tonight. This forecast has been changed. It used to be just a dusting to maybe an inch, and we are now expected to get many more inches. So we are also putting the van into the garage. So the snow has started. It's currently looking like this outside. And I'm trying to film the time lapse. We'll see if it works out. You'll see it at the end if it does. But this is how I am currently using my tripod, a potted plant, a random cable, because I had it actually set up. You'll probably see the change in viewpoint, but it needed to charge. So that's how I roll.